We are deep in the highlands now, and we can't see shit. We're on a route called Fjallabaksleið Syðri, or mountain back south route. I would say one of the most beautiful places in Iceland, and I rank it high in the most beautiful routes in the world to drive. But this is our luck, and we are here at a location. It's a waterfall. It's called Axlafoss. It's a waterfall, and I can hear it. I can see it's like 100 meters away from me. There. Isn't it beautiful? But what can you do? You just continue, push through, and just hope we'll catch a break. We will end this day in Landmannalaugar, which is better known, and we'll see how this day will treat us. It's not like, the thing is with this route, it is a challenging drive. I would not advise anyone to do it if he doesn't know the area, and well, we actually have the truck for it. You might not need this huge tires, but you definitely need a little bit more than a small 4x4. You need a little bigger tires, and there are river crossings and stuff. So it's not a Sunday drive. So it kind of sucks, you know, being here and not able to see anything. But this is Iceland. You know, you just have to accept and adjust and have a great time doing it. And now we are a little lower, still in Fjallabak South, and just look at those mountains here. I know the conditions are, well, I like it. I do like this. It isolates the mountain. It's a beautiful thing. I took some photos with my drone and also a video. I'm gonna show you that, and then I'm gonna finish my drive just to Landmannalaugar and end this video, which was supposed to be about this route. But I'm doing another tour here in about 2 weeks, so I'll just try again and see what happens. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.